How to remove and charge Ring Doorbell. All right, the first thing you need to do is just grab your Ring screwdriver that was placed in the pack that came in with your Ring security doorbell, and then simply unscrew the screws at the bottom. Once you've done that, just simply go ahead and lift the faceplate. So you're simply lifting the faceplate off of the Ring doorbell, and once you do, you can find the hatch that holds your battery. Now, once you found the hatch that holds your battery, just go ahead and plug in the battery to power. So it's that easy. Just simply lift this up. You may find some difficulties with this, but just lift from your bottom up and you should get access to the battery. And then just simply pull the battery from the latch here. And once you've pulled it out, just simply plug it in. And once the indicator goes from flashing orange to a pure green, steady green, just simply know that your doorbell has been charged. All right, guys, that's how easy it is. You'd find your charging port at the back of the battery so you can keep it plugged in that way. All right.